Hello, hi, good evening. Today I'm going to show you the difference between schedule and multi-category schedule. Okay, so there is a difference. Let's go to view, schedule, schedule and quantity. So here you can see here, so we can select a category, we can select a particular category, for example, wall, and then you can say okay. After that, you have to select field. For example, let's take family and type and count. So like this, we can calculate the number of elements in the category. You can calculate the total count. So we have these many types of wall in this count. Okay, so this is a wall schedule. In case if you want to take all the category count, then you can take multi-category. Let's go to view, schedule, schedule and quantities, and then select multi-category, multi-category schedule. Say okay, and here also we are going to take family and type and count. We are going to do the same sorting and grouping. And calculate total. Now you can see in the multi-category schedule, we'll get family and types from all the categories, not only from the wall. In case if you want to have a set of category, then you can also give a field like family, and you can go for sorting with the family and give a blank page, then sort by family and type. Okay, so now you can see assembled staircase we have here. In case if you want to calculate the total, you can calculate the total. In the footer, you can take title and the total. So you can see here assembled stair. We have these many total. You can see the total in the blank page. If you want to add a footer, you can add, otherwise you can remove, and then say okay, and you'll get the schedule. Okay, so this is the difference between category schedule, single category schedule, and a multi-category schedule. I hope now you understand the difference between single category schedule and multi-category schedule. In the multi-category schedule, you will get all the category and their count. Okay, try yourself. In case if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.